Is your diesel truck blowing thick black smoke and struggling to stay warm this winter? You might have a serious emissions issue hiding right under your vehicle. We are talking about the P202C diagnostic trouble code, which stands for Reductant Tank Heater Control Circuit High. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to many modern diesel vehicles on American roads today, from the heavy-duty Dodge Ram to various Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen models. To understand what is going wrong, you have to look at your selective catalytic reduction system. Modern diesel engines are incredibly powerful, but they also produce a lot of nitrogen oxide. To meet strict federal emission standards, your truck injects diesel exhaust fluid directly into the exhaust pipe to break down those pollutants. However, this fluid can easily freeze during harsh winter temperatures. To prevent this, manufacturers install a reductant tank heater right inside or around the fluid reservoir. When your powertrain control module detects that the electrical voltage on this specific heater control circuit is way higher than the maximum allowed limit, it triggers this warning code. The symptoms of this problem are definitely hard to ignore. Your check engine light will illuminate, but you will also likely experience a massive reduction in your overall fuel efficiency. You might see heavy clouds of black smoke pouring out of your exhaust, and your engine will probably feel terribly sluggish. If you ignore it long enough, the computer might completely disable your emission system, putting your truck into a limp mode. The most common cause for this high voltage reading is a completely burned out heater element inside the tank itself. It can also be caused by shorted electrical wires, a blown fuse, or a damaged connection caused by road salt and ice. To fix this in your driveway, you need to start with a very thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness near the diesel exhaust fluid tank. Look closely for any wires that are rubbed bare or covered in green corrosion. If the wiring looks good, you will need a digital multimeter to test the resistance of the heater element against the manufacturer specifications. A completely dead element will usually show an open circuit. However, working with diesel emission systems can be incredibly frustrating. If testing electrical circuits is not your strong suit, or if you suspect the main engine computer is sending the wrong signals, it is absolutely time to take your truck to a certified diesel mechanic. They can use an advanced scan tool to manually activate the heater and safely pinpoint the exact electrical short. Taking care of this quickly will protect your expensive catalytic converter and keep your truck running clean and strong.